Hi guys, hi everyone. So in this little video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use the templates for your logo for your new Zazzle store. These logo templates I've created in Canva. Canva is an amazing design tool. You can do so much in it, and I highly recommend that you check it out and use it. They have a free option, and then they also have Canva Pro. So let's just have fun with it. We're going to create a little logo. We're going to put a banner on your store, and we're going to create some store category covers. And that's just going to give your store like a nice cohesive look. But beyond that, let's not take this too seriously. Okay? All right, so let's get started. So there's 6 options here in the book. If you scroll down below this video to the next page in the workbook, you're going to see 6 different options. Just choose one that you like the best, basically. Whichever one stands out to you is the right one. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to customize number 2. That's the one with the big Z. We're going to use that one. Okay, so here's the template, and you're going to hit the Use Template button down at the bottom. So here we have our design board, which is this square, and this is our logo. Okay. I'm going to show you how to do very basic customization. There are a ton of YouTube videos talking about Canva and showing you how to use Canva and all the tricks and everything. So if you want to learn more, there's plenty of information out there on YouTube. But for this workbook, again, we're going to just focus on trying to get these things done and loaded into our store so that you can start going forward in your business. Okay, so just the basics. So on your design board, you will see that if you click on it, it will show an outline, the outline in purple. So when you see that outline in purple, that means that I am going to be customizing the background of this image. Okay, so if you go up here to the left, there's that little box that has all the colors, background color. If you hover over it, it'll say background color. So you can go in there and you can choose a background color. So let's say we do black. Okay, and then let's say we want to change the Z. We want to change it to red because that's another one of our colors. So I'm just using the basic colors here, and in a minute I'll show you how to go ahead and put in your specific hex codes for your branded colors. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to change this and put your store name. Okay, I'm just going to go with a Z store name just so that we make this easy. I'm going to call this the Zebra Shop. First thing I can tell is just that that text is almost to the very end of that border of that white box that it's in, and I would prefer that it has a little bit of space around it. So I'm going to just go up here. I didn't show you that. I'm sorry. I just clicked ahead. I'm going to go up here and lower the font size so that that text is just a little bit smaller and it just fits a little bit better. Okay. So, I mean, it's basic, but I like it. Black, white, red. Those are a very basic color palette, but they work. And, you know, it could be just as simple as that. Now you have a logo. Now I will show you a couple more tricks. Let me show you if you did have your color palette numbers and you wanted to load those in. So you would click the, let's say the Z. Let's say we wanted to change that. You go up here to the top where it has the little A with the color under it. Click that. And over to the left at the top, it says document colors, and underneath there's like a cross with a rainbow around it, and that's how you add a new color. So you click that, and then you'll see down this little window will open, and there's a hex code option down there. So you would put in your hex code. You would just type it in because it's already highlighted. So you would do the pound sign and then your 6-digit hex code. Okay, so you would type that in. So let's just do one right now just to kind of show you. Actually, you don't have to hit the pound sign. It looks like it automatically does that for you. I don't know what that was. But yeah, so you can see I changed it to like gold color. So the second thing I want to show you is when I'm doing designs like a logo, maybe you sometimes want to see what it would look like with like maybe a little bit of a different, same basic idea, but a couple different color options. So up here above the little board of your logo, there is an option. If you hover over it, it says duplicate page. So if you click that, it's going to make a copy of your logo. Okay, so now you have two of the same exact logo. So on the second version, you can go in and let's say we switch up the colors. Let's say we do the background in red and we do the Z in black. Okay, so now we have, you know, basically the same idea, two different versions. This could be fun if you wanted to do marketing and things later on down the road, and you could use the red version or the black version. And they, you know, it's still the same idea. It's still the same colors. It's still the same layout of the logo. So your customers are going to recognize it, even though it might be a little bit of a different version. Okay. So that's a kind of a fun thing. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is when you have your hex colors. Now this is a Canva Pro feature, so you would have to upgrade to the Canva Pro, but you can go here and add in your brand colors, which is actually like one of the handiest things that there is, basically, especially when you start making social media posts and pins for Pinterest and marketing your shop and things like that. This to me just is such a time saver. And so what you do is you can go in and you can program in the hex codes for your brand. So if you have 3 or 4 colors that you like to use with all of your designs, it will like save it. So it will be right here where this says add your brand colors and brand kit. When you have the Pro version, your brand colors can be right there. And you can also do different mood color palettes. So like I do a lot of boho designs and I do like beachy designs, and I can program in boho colors like rust and sand and, you know, mustard gold and things like that. And then I can do beachy colors. I can do blues and peaches and all those like yummy beachy colors. And I have them all right there for me. So depending on what kind of design I'm doing, I don't have to like use these basic colors. First of all, I can use nicer colors, and I have access to all of them right there, the ones that I really like and the ones that I like to use over and over again. So that's one of my favorite features. And then the other thing that I wanted to tell you about is if you don't like the logo templates that I've included for you in the workbook, Canva also has a ton of them on their website. So at the very top of the page, there's a search bar, and you just type in logo and hit search, and it will come up with all kinds of options. Again, some of the ones that have the crown, when you see the crown, that means it's a pro, so you would have to upgrade, but they do have the 30-day upgrade option for free right now, so you can upgrade and you can go in there and create all the things you want to do and then cancel later if you decide to. But Canva's awesome. It really is. They have so much available. And so if you don't like the logo templates that I gave you, if none of those are floating your boat, then just go to Canva and pull one up. And it's basically the same exact idea. You go in, you change the text, change the colors, you can pick new elements for your graphics, that kind of thing. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope that this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.